Hello everyone and welcome. You guys know that I'm always looking for the best deals possible on whatever cool new product I can find. Well, today we're going to be talking about security lights. One of the best ways to keep your property secure is with some good quality, very bright security lights. Many of you probably have already had security lights installed and had to deal with the hassle of wiring, electricians, and so forth. Well, today I'm going to show you a great 4-pack of solar-powered security lights that are very bright, have motion detection built in, and do not require any wiring whatsoever. In fact, the installation is super easy with the included hardware. Oh, and did I mention that this 4-pack of lights is a bargain? I'll tell you more after I unbox this package. So let's get into it. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Comes in a plain brown box, but that's not what matters. What matters is what's inside. And what's inside is a 4-pack of security lights from Onforu, and they are motion activated security lights, solar powered, do not require any wiring or anything at all. And first you see the owner's manual, installation guide, etc. has all the details of the lights, and it's only a page front and back, so I suggest you read through that. And let's see the hardware and all that. Let me get all this out of here, be right back. Alright, so when you unbox this bad boy, this is what you get. You get the 4 security lights, you get 4 installation hardware kits, and you get 4 brackets to install it. So let me give you a close-up shot of the security lights. As you can see, very compact, self-contained, has 3 lights to it, so you can aim it in 3 different directions, and I'll basically explain that in a moment how it all works. Now, this is the Onforu motion-activated LED security light 4-pack. You can get this on Amazon, link in description below. And at the time of making this video, this whole kit retails for $54.99, where basically, if you break it down, that's only $15 per light, which is a bargain. I haven't seen any security lights like this. Well, most of the lights I've seen, like at Walmart and stuff like that, generally it's only 1 light. This one has 3 lights per unit. Most of the ones that I've seen on the market are $20, $30, $40 and up. So $15 per light is a real bargain. Now, the units themselves, basically you're talking 7 inches in length, 5 inches in width, and 4 inches in height. So very compact unit, doesn't take up a whole heck of a lot of room. The weight on these units is only 14.46 ounces or 9/10 of a pound. They don't even weigh a full pound. They are IP66 waterproof, and the operating temperature is from minus 25 degrees centigrade to 45 degrees centigrade, or minus 13 to 113 Fahrenheit. So you can put it anywhere, anytime, rain, sleet, dust, wind, whatever, it'll hold up to pretty much anything out there. And they're solar powered. They are powered by 3.7 volt, 2200 milliamp lithium ion batteries. Each light contains 70 LED lights, and they're rated at 7 watts. So they're very energy efficient. Whenever they charge up, they'll last all night long without any problem. Since they're motion activated, they don't go on all the time. They only go on when they sense motion. And it does have PIR motion detection, and it stays on for 30 seconds after it senses motion. Well, it stays on for 30 seconds after the motion stops. Let's put it that way. Because it'll stay on as long as there's motion out there, they'll stay on. 30 seconds after no motion is detected, it'll turn itself off. And the lighting on this is really quite good. They put out 550 lumens, which can illuminate up to 200 square feet. The lighting temperature on this is 6000 K, which is like daylight. The coverage range on this is anywhere from 8 to 10 meters or 26 to 32 feet at a coverage range of 120 degrees. The heads on this, the units basically can rotate 355 degrees. And it's very convenient because basically all the lights are independent of each other, and you do have pivoting heads on here, so it can all be rotated in different angles. You can tilt them up, down, any direction you want. In, out, sideways, stand it up this way, stand it up that way. You can pretty much put it any direction you want, so you get the appropriate coverage for your lighting situation. And the solar panel right on top, ready to collect solar energy. So basically you get free energy. The main one in the middle is the one that has the PIR motion detection built into it. So you can mount these basically anywhere that you like, such as a fence, a pole, trees, eaves of your house, overhangs, rafters, walls, anywhere you want because there's no wiring required. Just point it towards the sun, or at least the general direction of the sun, so it'll get some solar power throughout the day. And they're motion activated, so they only go on when needed. No switch, no wiring, nothing needed to take care of it at all. So let's see how we install these babies and see how they perform. Alright guys, so mounting these lights is extremely simple. You have a one-piece mounting bracket, very easy to install. All you do, you have 3 holes right there. Find where you're going to mount it, which like right here for example, and then mark the holes and pre-drill them so it's easier for you to work with them. On a wood substance like this, all you do is pre-drill and you're ready to go. If you're going to do it on a masonry substance, a wall or chimney or any kind of brick or whatever, then you're going to have to pre-drill it. Insert these little wall plugs that already come included in the kit. That way the screw has something to grab onto. But for us right here, right now, we're going to be mounting it right here on this wooden material. And all you do is put the screw in the bracket and get yourself a screwdriver, whether it's electric or manual, and just screw it in. And if you pre-drill it, that makes it a whole lot easier for you to get the job done. Three screws and that's it. You're done. It's that simple. And then you come back with the light and you just slip it into these 2 little channels right here and you're done. And that's it. Your light is installed. All you do now is move the lights around to whatever is convenient for you, and that's it. There's nothing more you need to do. Your lights are ready to go. Alright guys, and here we are. It's daylight and I just mounted the lights, so I'm showing you what they look like and where I placed them. This is the south side of the house, so basically it should collect plenty of light, and this is the area that I wanted to light up, an entryway right next to my garage. So with the motion detector pointed down, this should light up anybody walking through here in pitch black darkness. The motion detector should catch them, and it should give plenty of light for this area right here. So then let's see now how it'll light up at night. And here we are at night, well, dusk, basically. The sun just went down, but I wanted you to be able to see the light. And there you go. I walk in front of it, and the light turns on. So the motion detector works perfectly. And it lights up this area very nicely, as you can see. And it's not even totally dark yet, and it's still putting out quite a bit of light. And it's only had about half a day to charge up those batteries, so it does a really good job. So very easy installation, very bright lights. They seem like very decent product. And hopefully for many, many years, it should light up this area for me very nicely. So there you go. Okay guys, there you have it. A review of the Onforu 70 LED motion activated solar powered security light 4-pack. I think this is a fantastic kit. 4 lights to put anywhere around your house, solar powered, so no wiring required, very simple installation, very bright, and a very affordable price. Under $15 per light is a bargain, even cheaper than lights at Walmart. Check out the link below, see if it's something you might be interested for your home security. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.